Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another amazing product review. Be sure to go to youtube.com/Chris Voss, hit that bell notification, and check out all 9 of our podcasts at thecvpn.com. This is from a company I've really fallen in love with lately. It's iFi. You can go to their website at ifi-audio.com and check out all the amazing sound systems that they take and build, DACs, everything for enhancing the quality of your sound. They make an astounding amount of products. Refer to the recent review we did of the CAN, which we really love. It's got a really great DAC on it, and I got to tell you, they make a lot of these products, and if you love gaming and podcasting like I do, their DACs and their sound systems that they have a whole variety on their website, will blow your freaking mind, and they will make your gaming sound so extraordinary. It just takes it to the whole new level, especially if you don't have high quality headphones. But even if you do, it takes them to the next level. And they've come out with a really new product called the Zen CAN. They basically refer to it as Nitro for your headphones. It's a fully balanced 1600 milliwatt Battleship headphone amplifier. It gives you 52 times more power to pump up the volume from your laptops and smartphones. They usually do have really low power output, and even if you're running a good set of headphones like I do, like I have one laptop that, man, I can't get high quality or high loud sound out of it, and I don't know, maybe I'm going deaf from all the music I've listened to, but it's tough. So you can use the Zen CAN with your laptop, phone, or a DAC to feed your music into it, and then connect your headphones, and it pumps out 50 times more power. This thing is freaking amazing. They base it around iFi's Audio $1,699 flagship Pro iCan. And this thing will give you serious power. It's a Class A discrete output buffer from the flagship Pro iCan using Preamp. It's got FET input, which allows loading, volume control, low distortion and noise. SE inputs that ensure loading the source, so it's always in Class A operation. And it's got output amplifier gain of 4 steps in plus 6 decibels. So you can perfectly match it to your headphones. I turn mine all the way up because I like to get all the amps, especially during gaming, which is pretty crazy. Now, it's got some of the things that I really loved out of the CAN. One was their 3D Plus system and their X-Bass. So let's talk about what that is. Their 3D system that you can use to enhance the sound even further is a special sound circuit, and it gives you stereo image that is truly out of your head, in front with height, width, and depth. It doesn't have coloration or loss of resolution, and it's all analog circuitry, so that's pretty good. I love the sound of it. The other thing you can mix it with or add to, or you don't have to use if you don't want, is their X-Bass. It's an active EQ circuit that meets the common gripe with headphone head-on, a lack of bass, according to their website. So that's really important to take and have. I got to tell you, sometimes you get headphones and they're just not loud, and I need loud because sometimes you want to listen to music loud or gaming loud. It's got beautiful circuitry put into it. You can take a look at what's on the website. But this thing will give you 52 times more headphone power, and to give you a nice balanced sound, Class A discrete. It's got TDK Class 1 ceramic capacitors inside of it. You get the X-Bass, the 3D holographic sound. I loved it. It's really freaking awesome, and I think you will too. Highly recommend the product and the company. I've really been just amazed with the stuff they have. Go to ifi-audio.com. That's ifi-audio.com. Take a look at all their products. They're pretty darn amazing. And hook them up for your gaming and headphones. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.